Good afternoon, this is Mel from IntegralBlinds. Today we're out on a project in the far north of Scotland, a place called Turriff. It's up towards Elgin and Fraserburgh, at the home of Martin and Shona. It's a property which is about 30 years old. They've been here 10 years and they've just developed it. So we've put in a mixture of integral blinds, different systems here, some magnet operated blinds with a jet black perimeter, silver slats, look extremely good, rapid raising. Now on these two, they stack in view, so when you look out there you see why they've done that. It's because basically most of the time these blinds will be fully down and just tilted open, or they'll close them like that. The other areas which we've done are the silver units in window like this. It's again a jet black perimeter with a silver slat blind, but what we've done on the windows here is we've done a concealed stack, so the blinds, because they're going to be raised up out of view every day, they're going to be looking much tidier and smarter like that out of view than stacking in view. And we've also reversed the control for them because they're reaching across a deep worktop here, so that the someone from standing position can interact with the blind quite readily without having to reach up and across. That's why we've done that. The sealed units are high performance sealed units. They boast a U value of nothing less than 1.0, which is really pretty good. It means they can turn the thermostat down a few degrees and save on heating these spaces within this home. The home's about 30 years, as I say. So it's been renovated to quite a high standard, and that attention to the detail on the insulation hasn't been lost also on these units, on these integral blind units. You're looking at argon filled gas units with Planitherm Total plus inner pane. The external pane's quite special. It's what we call 4-season, 4-function glass on the outer pane. So it's a 60% reduction in solar gain. That's a harsh glare in the heat of the sun that would come across this elevation, making it uncomfortable to be in if it wasn't for that glass. It's also a 50% reduction in UV. Now that's the light wavelength that would come into a space and bleach the colour out of the flooring. It's engineered oak, and the internal decor furnishings as well. So it protects it from fading, from being bleached by the sun. The glass is also self-cleaning. So it's got a coating like Teflon. Nothing can stick to it. The weather comes against it. When the rain hits it, it's like watching magic. It beads and falls off quite readily. It doesn't sit on the glass and dry, making it necessary to clean it regularly. The fourth of the 4 functions, it's a privacy glass. As you see here, whilst there is a Leylandii hedge, they are to some degree overlooked. Not so much from this elevation, more from the door elevation there. But the mirror-like sheen means that you're afforded a degree of privacy over and above what the blinds would provide, without having it necessary to close the blinds and lose your view. Perhaps you're keeping an eye on the little ones out in the garden, or you just don't want to close the blinds perhaps during the day. You want a bit of a view. So it means that the glass gives you a degree of privacy that you wouldn't otherwise have, and that's not to be certainly overlooked. Now, I've got the customers with me now, I've got Martin here. Martin, what's your thoughts on the project we've done for you at your home today, and what comments we can make?
No, from the first call with you, Mel, very seamless throughout the process. Very happy with the end product and the installation, and it just looks an excellent fit for the project as well.
Yeah, because you've put a lot of work into this place. I mean, you were telling me about all the lighting you designed here, all the grooves and channels you had to put into everything. I think it's even a cupboard here with lights in the back of it that, you know, no attention to detail has been spared, has it?
Correct, yes, no, absolutely. We've put a lot of effort and time and thought into the detail into this project. So.
What would you say to anyone looking to invest in integral blinds for their own home?
No, absolutely. You know, they are a first-class product. I feel that they do show and demonstrate the quality in it. You know, the concealed stack is a fantastic unit, and also with the 4-season glass, it gives us the benefit of that privacy and also the self-cleaning. You know?
Yeah, what I really like actually, not so much our blinds, but this fire here. It's actually a working fire, isn't it? A coal fire, apparently.
Yes, coal fire. Yes, it's a coal fire that we typically put on in the winter time, and the Scottish weather is at its best, you know.
Yeah. So it will be a fantastic space for you to have in your home with the integral blinds and all the work you put into it, and of course that coal fire. Thank you very much, Martin, for your comments. I've now got a long drive south. Okay, so any of you looking for integral blinds for your own project, whether it's a home or a commercial setting project, give us a call, 0800 6102 610. You can also email us at sales@integralblinds.com. And don't forget, we've got a Facebook page and a YouTube channel, very active YouTube channel. Lots of recent project and product videos you can look at. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much.